Hello everyone. This is a very important topic that we will learn in this video, that is all about MS Word ruler. Okay, most of the user don't know about the usage of a ruler in Word. Okay, so the ruler is used how to set up your page. Okay, the margins and the paragraph settings and the text setting that we can do through a ruler. So in this video we will learn all about the ruler and the usage of a ruler. Okay, so let's get started. Before starting, if you are new, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. So first of all, if by default the ruler is not appearing in your MS Word, okay, so for that first of all come here to the view menu and check here the ruler option. See, ruler option. If I uncheck it, so the ruler has disappeared. If I check it, the ruler has appeared now. So now first of all we will come here to set up the page margins. Okay, so through this ruler we can set up our margins, for example left side, top side, right side and bottom margin. First of all, let's check the left side and set up the left side margin. Come here to the top of this ruler, see this icon. Whenever your mouse has changed to this both side of arrow, okay, so then move it to the left side. Okay, so let's move it. Now let's move it to the left side. See, I placed it here. Now see the left side margin. And also if you would like to change the right side margin, for that just come here and move it to the right side. So it is all about the left and right side margin that you can set up your page through ruler. Again come here, bring it to the right side. And also we can change the top and bottom margin. Just come here to the left side and move it to the top. Look at, and also come to the bottom. If we have text, so it will move to the left side. This is the margin for the bottom side. So this is all about how to set up the margin through ruler. Now we will move, for example we would like to set up our paragraph. Okay, so first of all we will come here to this. For example, you want to move this one paragraph, okay, this paragraph to the left side or right side. Okay, the indent of paragraph. Okay, so for that just come here to the top, see the mouse, just move to the mouse. See, left indent, it means from the left side you would like to move your text, your paragraph. Okay, so this is paragraph and I would like to move it to the right side. Okay, just come here. Whenever you come here to the left indent, just back it. See, all paragraph has moved, shifted to the right side. And also you can move it to the left side, also back like this. So this is the paragraph setting through ruler. See, the first paragraph indent has changed. And also if you would like to change the indent of this first line, you can change it. First of all, I will make it set up with this. Okay, we want to just change the indent of this first paragraph. Okay, first line of the paragraph. So for this, come here to the ruler, the top area. See, whenever you come here to the top area, what you will see? You will see first line indent. Okay, so I will move this to the left side. Just come here, click on it and move it to the left side. See, that's so you can move it to the right side like this. So this is all about the paragraph and the first line indent through ruler. Let's move it back here. Now we will move to the left side. See, in this corner you see the mouse, first line indent, click it and it will change to the now let's check it, the text hanging indent, and also this is the left tab, this is the center tab, and this is the right tab, and this is the decimal tab. Okay, these all options. So now we will learn all about these options. Okay, so first of all we will come here to the left indent. Okay, this is left indent right now with us. Okay, let's remove this text and I would like to click here. See, the left indent has come here. Okay, this is the left indent. When I press the tab, it will come here directly here. If I would like to write this, again press tab, so it is left indent. Okay, from the left side it will align the text. Okay, so this was all about the left indent that you see. If you would like to remove it, just move it back here. So that has gone. Right, So that has gone from that side. Okay, that has gone from ruler. Now let's preset and the corner preset. This is center tab with us. Okay, let's, for example, I would like to click here. See, the center tab has applied here, and whenever you are writing something, that will be, for example, it will be from both sides, from left and right side of this center tab. Okay, this is the center of the text. The text you are writing, the text will be at the center of this tab that you have placed. Okay, press enter and press tab. See, whatever you are writing, so that will be on the both right side and left side. That will be the center of this center tab. So now let's remove it back. See, that has gone. Let's remove this text also. Let's press this again. So this is the right indent with us. Okay, right tab. So for right tab means, let's, for example, I would like to press here. So first of all, I will remove this. And let's click here. See, this is right tab with us. Okay, so whenever I press tab, so it will just be align the text on the right side. Okay, press tab, so it will align the text on the right side. So this was the task of right indent. Let's move it back. So after that, press it again. This is decimal tab with us. Okay, it means, let's press here, whenever you are writing the numbers, so it will apply on the decimal points. Like, let's press tab, and you would like to write like this, dot decimals with us. Okay, these are, let's write, press tab like this. It will just indent the decimal point with us. Okay, let's press tab again, dot. See, align just the indent, the decimal. Okay, it will align through the decimal. Press again tab, it will align through decimal. So it was the task of decimal point, the decimal tab. Let's remove it back and press it again. So this is bar tab with us. Okay, so the bar tab means whenever, let's click it here, so whenever you are writing something here, you will see the bar tab. Press enter, it will be exiting. Okay, this is the bar tab. Wherever you are writing, so you will see the bar tab there. Let's remove it. Press it again. So this is first line indent with us. Let's write some text. 3, 5. Press enter. So whenever, let's click it. Okay, let's, now I will click, whenever I click it here, this is the first line indent with us. Okay, let's click here, so it will just indent the first line. See, just for the first line of the paragraph it is applied. So this was the task of first line indent. Okay, the first line, and let's move it back here. We just right, just move it to the left side. So bring it back here. Let's press it again. So this is hanging tab with us. See, hanging tab, this means that it will be applied on these lines. Okay, not on the first line, but not the first lines of a paragraph, but it will be applied on other lines of the paragraph, on these lines, and also on these lines, and on these lines. Okay, it will be applied on that. Let's press it here. So that is applied. Just let's move it here. So right now we are on this paragraph. Okay, just come here. I will click on this paragraph, and this is hanging indent with us. First line indent. So whenever we click here, so it will be applied on that lines. Click here, see, it applied on these lines. Okay, if you would like to apply on these both paragraphs, so select them and click here. See, that has applied wherever you want, so that will be applied on that. Without the first line, it will apply on other lines of the paragraph. Okay, so it was all about these options. So now whenever we preset, we came back to the left tab. So it was all about the usage of ruler that we learned in this video. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you like this video, don't forget to like the video and subscribe our YouTube channel and comment down. Thanks for watching.